Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a stroke to an image in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So a stroke is an outline you put onto an image to make it stand out. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So to start with, open up the image that you want to add the stroke to. Then we're going to click on the image. Then we're going to click on edit. From here, you have lots of different options to edit your image, but we're going to scroll down to the bottom to where it says shadows. I'm going to click on see all, and then I'm going to click on outline. So this is the stroke effect. So you can see it's added an outline to my image. But I can do further edits. As I scroll down a little bit more, you can increase or decrease the size of the stroke, and you can increase or decrease the intensity, and you can also change the color. So you can really make your image stand out with a bright color surrounding your image. So you can use the slider, or just click on the canvas and change the color, or you can type in the hex that you have if you want a particular color. So I'm going to put a nice sort of bright red, going to take that right to the corner, maybe bring it down to make it a nice bright red color. Then I'm going to play around with the size, maybe make it a little bit smaller, and then increase the intensity so it's a nice bright red. And then once you're happy with that, you can also sort of edit the image a little bit, pull it down or up, move it around to get the image and the stroke effect exactly as you want it. When you're happy, download your design, and there you go. That's how you apply a stroke effect in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.